What you're about to see is not a movie scene. It's 100% AI generated and it's so realistic, it's freaking people out. You have to watch this. What's up guys, Paul James here, and I'm so excited to share what I've been doing with Veo 3. And in fact, not only am I gonna show you how to use it properly, I'm gonna show you how I've been using it to make thousands of dollars a day with this brand new strategy. This is just one of my accounts. I also have some other Stripe accounts and PayPal, but total, it's totaling up to thousands of dollars per day. I'm gonna show you exactly how to use Veo 3 and how to use it to make money. I'm also gonna be using some prompts from AI that you can punch into Veo 3. You can punch them into DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and Manus as well, and I'll kind of explain how that works. If you'd like access to these prompts so that you can just copy and paste them, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel and then leave a comment below this video saying that you'd like access to the prompts, and then I will reply back to it and send them over to you. Also, you know, Hollywood is trying to ban this tool. The US government's trying to ban DeepSeek. They don't really like when you talk about these tools, so if you do me a favor and share this video so that it gets out there to everyone before it gets taken down, I'd really appreciate that so that most people see it. So let's just get into it. I also have a Telegram group too if you guys want to join that. It's pauljames.com/Telegram. It's my drop zone where I share bonus trainings, live streams, and then more AI prompts. But let's get into what we came here today for, and that's Veo 3. And I'll explain first how to use it, and then I'll break down how we can actually use these done-for-you prompts to make money with Veo 3. So what I'm doing is I'm using it inside of something called Flow. Now what Flow is it's this new editor that Google put out, which combines Veo 3 in a way, because if you guys have ever messed with Veo 3, you probably know that usually the kind of output is about 8 seconds. These ones are a little bit shorter, but I found that when you use the tool in the way that I'm gonna share with you how to use it right now, which is these like shorter outputs, it just generally tends to work out a lot better if you give it shorter tasks to do. And the reason why is because when you try to give it too much prompt at once, the video just doesn't come out right, and it still ends up only putting out an 8-minute video or so anyway. So you're better off to just not try to do a longer video and do these sort of like mini scenes, and that way you're gonna get exactly the output you want, and then you just stitch the scenes together, which is basically what we're gonna be doing here today in this video. I thought it would be fun, like a fun example to show you how to use it if I sort of started making a music video for my song. So I have a song that I released called Lifestyle. You can go check it out on Spotify. It's under my name, Paul James. And I co-released this song with a really great artist. His name is Sweezy, if you guys have heard of him. The song is doing great. It just crossed 100,000 streams today, I think. So really, really exciting. But we don't have like a music video or anything for it. And because AI is so powerful, Veo 3 is so powerful, I thought I'd show you guys a tutorial by actually starting to make a music video for it. And then I'll teach you how you can use Veo 3 once you know how to use it really well, how you can actually use it to make, like I said, I'm making thousands of dollars a day by using AI generated video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some of the lyrics and we're gonna create some scenes together for my song so that you can see how to do it. So I can't actually play this song here on the stream because unfortunately, even though it's my song and all of that good stuff, I will get copyright strike for it. That's just unfortunately how the industry works. So I don't wanna get demonetized and have the income of the video not, you know, going through. So instead, you'll have to go listen to the song and just kind of envision it as we're creating it. But I thought we'd start with the first line of the song, which is Cartier Factory all on my watches. It's a rap song, by the way, guys. So it's like a hip hop pop song. So that's why I like the lyrics are like this. So anyways, I thought it'd be cool if we took a shot of someone walking through a mall, like a busy mall, right? To start off with. And if they were walking by a Cartier store. So initially I thought to myself, like, it could just be a random person, but then I remembered I have all these like different thumbnail poses that I use in my videos, right? So let me pull one up here for you to see. There we go. So I decided to take one of these thumbnail poses and actually upload it into Veo 3 and use myself as sort of the the actor, if you will. So what I did is I clicked this button right here. I uploaded the image into VO3. Well, this is Flow, remember, it's the same thing, but it uses VO3, but Flow is like a scene builder. So you'll see how we kind of use this together right now. And I said, this is my prompt I give it, walking in a crowded shopping mall past the Cartier store. Because remember, the line of the song is Cartier Factory all on my watches. So this is what it came out with. Now, I'll tell you what I would have done maybe a little bit differently. It gave me 2 scene options. I'll tell you what I would have done maybe a little bit differently. So it quite literally took me and put me from my office, from there walking into the busy mall past the store. But let's check it out. Okay, it's a quick 8-second video. But guys, look at how realistic that is. It's absolutely mind-blowing how realistic that is. You can see the Cartier store in the background. It really does pretty much look like me. I mean, I guess you're looking at me right now, like it's pretty close. Okay, let's check out the second one that it did. Leave me a comment what you guys think below, what you guys think. Like, I mean, it's kind of mind-blowing and scary just how good it is, right? So here's the second shot. This one, I mean, the wall, it kind of looks like I'm walking out of a store, but there's the Cartier in the background. The download button's kind of covering it, but you could still see it. So I'm wondering if I would have prompted it a little bit differently by maybe saying, don't show me in the background. Or alternatively, I could have took one of these images and just went into Photoshop and maybe removed the background. I think that would have solved the issue as well. But anyways, let's just, for the sake of time, because I don't want to be on here boring you all day with like nuances of like removing backgrounds and stuff. Let's just go and say we wanted to use this. There's this button up here that says add to scene. So I would click that and now it's going to add it into the scene, into the project. So it looks like I could trim it here as well. Let's see if I press, maybe I would trim it to like right here. You wouldn't even be able to tell. So there we go. So the line would be Cartier Factory all on my watches. Let's see here, scrub to the video, hit play. So maybe I would just cut it right there, right? That's about perfect. Okay, so the next line in the song, I'll just do one more just so you can see me like do this from the start and actually see it put an output out. Then we'll go into how I'm making thousands of dollars a day using this tool. And again, guys, like I said, I hope that this is really helpful for you. And again, I will be giving you some done for you prompts as well if you just leave a comment below this video. And if you have questions or anything like that, join us inside the Telegram group as well. And by the way, if you don't have money to use VO3, in my course, getaitrailblazer.com, it's really affordable right now. It's under $30. So if you wanted to get that, you could, and that's a one-time fee for that. You could jump in there and I have some free alternatives on how you can generate videos that are pretty good still. Obviously they're not like going to be as good, but they're still good enough to make thousands of dollars a day with AI. So if you're looking to not pay for Gemini VO3, then you can go pick up the course and try out some of those alternatives. Again, that's getaitrailblazer.com. But let's go on to the next line of the song here. Let me hop over to Shazam here. So the next line is Johnny Dang won't put your picture in my locket. So Johnny Dang's, a famous jeweler. And the line is like, he's not going to put your picture in my locket. So maybe it is, maybe it's someone dropping like an expensive locket on the ground or something. I don't know. If you guys have a better idea for scenes, by the way, just let me know in the comments. Like, I'm all for that. Okay, let's say, so right here, I'm basically prompting it. Frames to video, I want to do text to video this time because I'm not going to use a picture of myself in this next scene. And I'm going to say an Asian man, because Johnny Dang is Asian, I believe. I think he is, from what I remember. An Asian man holding a gold locket and dropping it on the ground. The locket bounces off the ground and shatters. I don't know if a locket could shatter, but let's just try it. Again, this is all trial and error. Like, you may not get the first thing you want on the very first try, but that's kind of the fun of it. And it really is fun, guys, like playing around with it. I think that you'll enjoy it. So let's go ahead and generate that scene. So this is gonna take a little bit depending on, the processing of it all. So let's let that load in the background. While that loads, let's talk more about making money with this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these prompts in another AI. I like DeepSeek, but you can use ChatGPT as well or Manus, and it works in both of those platforms. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this first prompt here, and we're gonna paste it into DeepSeek. And the prompt is, I want to start a business similar to HomeAdvisor where I connect homeowners with businesses and charge the business per lead. I want you to give me a list of the top 50 businesses that I can work with that'll be easiest to get a hold of and tell me roughly how much they'll pay per lead. So in a nutshell, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm generating leads, okay, for business owners like a roofer, for example. And I'm generating them using these AI generated videos. And what I do is, when someone comes to one of my AI generated videos, and I'll show you how to create them. Well, you know how to create them now because we're doing it together on VO3. But what I do is I upload these AI generated videos to, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. And when someone comes in, I'll pick a local area, like let's just say Orlando. And when someone in Orlando sees my video about, maybe it's like roof replacement, and they raise their hand and they say, hey, I would like to get my roof replaced and your video caught my attention, and they fill out their details. Usually it's by phone call. I'll explain more about that. I send that lead over to a roofer in the area. So I find a roofer who wants to buy these leads, and I take the lead that came from the video and I send it over to him. And then in turn, he pays me for that lead. Usually leads like this can be anywhere from $50 to $150 for this kind of lead. Let's just say on average, we'll take somewhere in the middle, a conservative estimate on $100. Again, these are leads to get roof replaced. And this would be for a roofer in Orlando. Let's say that my AI generated video generates 10 leads in a month. That means that that roofer is gonna pay me $1,000 for those leads. Now, I didn't have to show my face. I didn't have to go and do cold calls or meet with anyone. I just let AI do all the work and use some automation tools to automatically get paid. And that's how I'm making thousands of dollars basically with AI generated videos. It's by generating leads from the videos and then selling them to businesses like roofers. And again, that's basically what my whole course, GetAITrailblazer.com, is all about. It's about how to set up this entire thing. And yes, it is really only, today it's only $25. That price will be going up depending on when you see this video or this live stream. I'll be editing it into a video as well. But depending on when you see it, like I said, I mean, that's the price. And people who are in my drop zone, which is pauljames.com/Telegram, people that are in my drop zone are gonna be people who see this kind of stuff first, which again saves you money because you saw it first. So oh, this isn't a needle, by the way, this is a pen. I just realized I was holding this. Anyways, if it disappeared anyways. Okay, we'll go back to that in a second and I'll figure out what went wrong. Anyways, that's the basic model here of the entire thing, is that we're basically, going and picking out a niche with the prompt in DeepSeek. So if we go into DeepSeek and look, it gave us, that's why you want these prompts. If you leave a comment, they'll give them to you for free. But basically, right, DeepSeek gave us a list now of all of the niches in here and exactly what they pay per lead so that you don't even have to think about it, right? Okay, so we'll go on to the other prompts in a minute, but I did want to open back up VO3. So if you click on the date up here, this is where it's going to show you, like right here next to Scene Builder, this is where it's going to show you those scenes that it started building. So here's what it generated for an Asian man holding a gold locket and dropping it on the ground. All right, and it's shattering. That was kind of weird. I don't like that output. Let's check this one. It looks like he's talking. Okay, that output was kind of weird, I will say. This one maybe could work if we slowed it down. I think this one would work, But I think if we had more time and we really wanted to, you know, finagle with it, it could work even better. So I could add this to the scene like that. Okay, so there it is. So now it would go from this scene over to the scene of the locket. Again, I would coincide this with the word. So, you know, I would have to link it up with the song and see kind of where this fits in and how long I want to trim it to. But I think you kind of get the point, right? You can use AI to generate these very, very cinematic clips that look crazy good, and then create these videos without you having to do anything or show your face. And if you want to show your face, or you want to show the business owner's face that you're making videos for, you could upload a picture like I did, and you could show their face doing something without them actually having to be live on like a Hollywood set or something like that. Okay, I want to show you more in detail about this strategy now to make money, now that you really understand how to use VO3 to generate these leads. And if you buy my course, again, I'll show you other AI tools that, you know, don't cost $125 a month to do the videos. But if you're making money, right, if you're making $1,000 a month from one client, you probably are fine with paying for VO3. Like, that's a minor expense in the grand scheme of things. But there are free ways to do this too, which I talk about in the course. Let's talk about the next prompt that I have available for you. This is prompt number 2. And this is where you pick out a niche from that list that you think you want to work in. So let's say the niche that we want to work in is, I don't know, how about fence installation? So you would copy this prompt, you'd go back into your AI, it could be DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Manus, whatever. You paste it in there and you could say, I think this niche sounds good. We could say fence builder, and we could pick a city like Orlando, Florida. And it's gonna tell you what the most in-demand service could be that I could promote on social media and maybe an offer. Okay, so here's a good one. Hurricane season, fence damage from storms. So I could use that now to craft a scene in VO3 or one of the other AI video generators like I'm talking to you guys about. And I could prompt it with exactly what that is. But that's kind of like the long and short of it, guys, is that you're going to pick a niche, you're gonna create these videos, you're gonna post them. I recommend that you post them all over. So Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. And you're gonna take those videos and you're gonna post them on each platform. These can be brand new accounts, they don't have to be your personal account. So if I was gonna target Orlando, I might call it something like I Love Orlando. And boom, create the accounts, that's what I name them. I upload the videos generate leads, I get paid. And that is how I'm making thousands of dollars per day, okay? Not a month, guys, per day, by using AI generated videos and using them to generate leads that I can then sell to local business owners. Again, guys, if you want these prompts, just leave a comment below. I will send them to you. If you want to join our Telegram group and chat with us over there and get access to, you know, stuff earlier, pauljames.com/Telegram. And if you want the full course of all this step-by-step, all the tools, all the different automation tools we use, I talk about them in the course and show you how to use them. It's getaitrailblazer.com. And, you know, you really don't have to spend much more than this to get started, guys. It really is a low overhead business, and I think you'll really enjoy doing it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will see you next time. Take care.